All right, we're at our next bee removal job for the season. As you can see, the bees are coming right in and out in that hole that was never sealed up for their electrical and AC unit. Chris is over here inside. Unfortunately, this one we're going to be taking them out from the inside just because of the lines. Chris has already done put paper on the wall. He'll be cutting out that little section of the ceiling. And right now he is starting to set up the zip wall. That way we can contain this area right here. And more to come. Chris has got the zip wall almost up, ready to go. He is taping everything up right now to make sure the bees can go in. We don't want the bees to get in the house, so they only need 3/8 of an inch to get inside, so he's taping everything up, cleaning it all up, getting ready to go. All right, well, we don't usually video the box and getting ready, so I figured this video this time we'll show it. As you can see, we tape up the box to the bottom board just so when we move it, it is secure. There's also what we call an entrance screen restrictor on the front. So at the end, when we're ready to go, we're going to shut these down to keep the bees in. But right now, once we move the bees will come out on the landing board and raise their butts and wings and flap their wings and get the pheromones out so everybody knows that this is the box that they're going to come into. The frames are ready to go. We put rubber bands on them, so when we put the comb in, we can secure it, and we'll put rubber bands on top, so those are ready to go. And then typically what we use is the frames right here. So as we're taking the comb out, the safe thing, move it to the comb and transport it right to the hive, and then I'll put it in the hive box carefully. And that's what we do to get ready. Chris is making the last little bit to seal up the vents, seal up all the plastic around so the bees can't get out and get into the home. We've got everything secured at the bottom, and we're just sealing up the HVAC vent so they don't try to crawl in there and try to get towards that light. So, and then we'll tape up this last piece right over here, and we'll be good to go, ready to start opening up the wall and open up the ceiling and get to the hive.
Let's see what HVAC going on. So it must be next door. Put those in right here. That is the AC line. Something different.
All right, well, we have found the hive. It's very hard to see. It is a small hive. It is wrapped right around the electrical cords. So we're going to take each of the comb out very carefully. All right, well, this was a fairly quick hive and a very small one, but if you can see, we have caught the queen in here. Not sure if it's easy to see, but she's in there. Her attendants are taking care of her. Gonna keep her right here. We'll put the box up on the deck, and everything is good to go. We'll vacuum some more bees up, put them in the box, and be ready to accept all the foragers.